Magnesium is one of the essential minerals that your body needs to function, just like your copper, zinc, iron, selenium, and several other minerals. Now, what are the health benefits of magnesium? Magnesium helps to reduce stress levels by reducing the stress hormone called cortisol. Magnesium helps for sleep. It helps you to fall asleep quicker, gives you a deeper sleep, and longer sleeping times. Magnesium helps to regulate blood pressure, especially for those with high blood pressure. Magnesium helps to reduce tiredness, muscle cramps, and for conditions like restless leg syndrome. Magnesium helps to regulate your body metabolism, so it helps to regulate your blood sugars, your cholesterol levels, as well as giving you a normal heart rhythm. How much magnesium does your body need a day? Well, men should be getting at least 420 milligrams of the recommended daily amount of magnesium, while women should be getting at least up to 320 milligrams of the recommended daily amount. But levels depend on factors such as age, sex, and pregnancy. Taking higher levels of magnesium can lead to side effects such as nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, low blood pressure, cramps, and irregular heart rhythm. You can get magnesium naturally through foods such as bananas, avocados, cashew nuts, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, soybeans, almonds, broccoli, fish, and other dairy products. However, we do not eat enough of these foods, so your body can easily become deficient in magnesium. And how do you know that your magnesium levels are low? Well, you might have symptoms such as poor sleep, increased anxiety, low mood, depression, low energy levels, feeling constantly tired, having muscle cramps. But these symptoms are not specific to magnesium deficiency, so if you have any of the symptoms, you should be speaking to your doctor so that they can rule out any other underlying causes. So if we go back to the health benefits, how does magnesium help with sleep and relaxation? If your stress hormones, the cortisol levels, are constantly high, then your body is under constant stress, which means you cannot relax. So therefore, you struggle to sleep. So by magnesium reducing your cortisol levels, your body can now relax, your mind can relax, and this helps you to calm down and fall asleep. Magnesium also blocks the calcium channels. Now, calcium is responsible for muscle contraction, so by blocking the entry of calcium into the cells, your muscles are now able to relax, and this reduces the feeling of your body being constantly under tension, which again relaxes your muscles and allows you to rest and sleep. So with conditions like restless leg syndrome, where your legs are constantly restless, you might get tingling or this constantly electric-like sensation, which tends to happen at nighttime. By reducing these muscle contractions, magnesium therefore helps with conditions like restless leg syndrome. So by reducing your cortisol and calcium levels, magnesium not only helps with sleep, but also helps to regulate your blood pressure. If you've got high blood pressure, this is due to high cortisol, this is due to calcium entering the cells, which is why you take blood pressure tablets like amlodipine and felodipine, which are calcium channel blockers. So you might consider maybe swapping those blood pressure tablets for magnesium. And at the same time, magnesium also helps to regulate your heart rhythm, which means that if you've got an irregular heart rhythm, that might be due to deficiency such as magnesium, and taking magnesium might restore you back to a normal heart rhythm. As magnesium also helps with tiredness and fatigue, some people find it useful in conditions such as chronic fatigue syndrome. Magnesium helps with muscle pain and aches. Some people find it useful in conditions like fibromyalgia. Magnesium also increases the neurotransmitters in your brain such as GABA, which causes a calming effect on the brain and helps to reduce your anxiety and depression. Magnesium can help reduce your blood sugar levels through again reducing your cortisol. So if you're someone with diabetes type 2, you may be able to potentially reverse diabetes without medication by taking magnesium supplements. Now, if you cannot get magnesium through the diet, you can obviously take supplements, but make sure you read the label, check the ingredients are safe, and do not exceed more than 420 milligrams a day. Magnesium also comes in the form of Epsom bath salts known as magnesium sulfate. So this is something that you can use in your bath, which helps your muscles and your body to relax if you're tired before going to bed, and that helps with sleep. But not much is known of how much magnesium sulfate is actually absorbed through the skin. Apart from magnesium sulfate, there are other different forms of magnesium, such as magnesium citrate, which is thought to be the most common form of magnesium you can buy over the counter. You've got magnesium glycinate, magnesium taurate, magnesium malate, and some of these supplements are more expensive than the other, depending on what you buy. Also, depending on the compounds, some are more effective for other symptoms than others, such as constipation or inflammation of the body. However, they generally tend to help with tiredness and fatigue, sore muscles, and sleep. Now, I'm someone who likes to do various activities. I play football quite infrequently due to my busy schedule. So therefore, if you do sports infrequently, you're bound to get soreness and aches of your muscles. And again, due to my work, I get tiredness and fatigue. And also, I notice that my mood can change depending on the weather. My sleep has been not so great of late. I don't get deep sleep. I don't get long sleeping times. So I decided to buy magnesium. Now, this is magnesium citrate. It tells me muscle care. It supports healthy bones and muscles and reduces tiredness and fatigue. So I've been taking this for a week. Difficult to say if this is a placebo effect or if I've seen any benefits yet. But I do intend to take this for a long time. And if any of you have taken magnesium citrate or any other forms of magnesium, whether it's malate, taurate, glycinate, please drop some comments below. Let me know your experiences of taking magnesium. Did it work for you? Did it help with your tiredness? Did it help with sleep? Did it help with muscle relaxation? Did it help with your mood symptoms? But these are all the health benefits of magnesium. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe.